Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm back to show you how to make this moss stitch granny triangle. So this granny triangle starts from bottom to top, which means it starts small and it gets bigger as we go further with the rows. This looks neat and nice. It's perfect for a head bandana, for a shawl, or any project of your choice. I'm gonna use only one color for this demonstration, and that's it. We'll get started right away. I'm using 5.5mm crochet hook and a medium worsted yarn for this tutorial. So I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 3. In the third chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. Again, along with the video, please have a look at the written pattern to assist you while you follow the video. Now I'm gonna chain 2. So in every row I'm gonna chain 2. Every beginning of the row I'm gonna chain 2, and in the first chain 1 space, the chain 1 space, which is usually, if you get confused, the small loop, the small V-stitch in between the big ones. So I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, so a double, so to increase the triangle in every row. So in every row, this is how it's gonna be: chain 2 and then single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 in the chain 1 space. In the corner now, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 1 in the next space, single crochet, chain 1 in the last space, the beginning one, single crochet, again chain 2, the beginning of the row, and turn, 1 single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, all in the same space. The next space, it gets clearer here, single crochet, chain 1. In the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1. In the next space, single crochet, chain 1. In the next space, again single crochet, chain 1, and in the last space, the beginning row, which is single crochet. This is how it looks like so far. See, it gets bigger with the increase, and it looks neater and neater with every row. Again, chain 2 in the first space. Now it's much easier to differentiate the spaces because it looks clear. So 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet for the increase, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, chain 1, single crochet in the following space, chain 1, single crochet in the next space, and chain 1 and single crochet in the last space, the beginning chain 2 of the previous row. And this is all you need to do throughout the work. It's just one repetitive row throughout the work, and this is how it is. This is after a few rows how it looks like, neat and pretty. You can, like as I said, make any project of your liking. And this is as easy as it gets. If you have any questions, please do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Also look at the written pattern if you need assistance. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.